Last tackle then, Friend, back to Maloney, there's the kick, he's looking for McDonald. McDonald goes up and comes down with the football. Well, the debutant has scored.
You're on the sixth
surely.
We have a try.
I thought it was Daniel Tupou for a moment. Second time tonight, James Maloney again getting the kick right. That's a little bit unfair, this, isn't it? McDonald coming in against Thompson. The Rooster has the momentum, has the higher leap. It's just a matter of hanging on to it, and he does. It's good body position actually on Thompson, uses his bulk to get him out of the way, his height to grab the football. Did he hang on to it at the end? It's the only real question. He sure does.
He's got a very big hand around it. And good luck to him. He's been really prominent in this game, as I said only a matter of a minute or so back. And he's picked up, well, no try.
He's hit the wrong button for sure.
He's got it. He's overruled the referee. Listen to this.
No, it's come up incorrectly on the screen. The video referee has confirmed it's a try.
Now it's a try. Well, thank God for that. Oh my God. Don't do that to us. We'll take a break and come back.